5 seconds to go. Start. These two appeals arise out of a common judgment dated 30th November 2009 rendered by the Division Bench of the High Court of Gujarat, whereby criminal appeal numbers 1865 of 2006 and 1866 of 2006 preferred by the appellants herein were dismissed. By way of the said appeals, the appellants herein had assailed the judgment dated 6th June 2006 passed by the learned Additional Sessions Judge Fast Track Court, hereinafter being referred to as the Trial Court in Special Case NDPS number 5 of 2003, convicting the appellants for the offences punishable under Section 21 read with Section 8C and Section 29 of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, hereinafter being referred to as NDPS Act, and sentencing them to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 10 years and fine of rupees 1 lakh each in default of payment of fine to undergo simple imprisonment for 2 years. Shri Deepak Parikh, PW2, posted as Intelligence Officer in the Narcotic Control Bureau, hereinafter being referred to as NCB, Ahmedabad, received a secret information at his office in the morning of 30th January 2003. The informer divulged that two persons would be delivering contraband illicit substance at the ST bus stand Kheda between 4:30 pm and 5 pm. The secret information also contained the description of features of the suspects and the clothes which they would be probably wearing. The information also provided that the contraband substance had been received from one Adil Khan and that the miscreants would be delivering it to a third person. Deepak Parikh, PW2, jotted down the secret information, translated and converted it into a typewritten script and forwarded a copy thereof to his immediate superior officer. Two punts, that is Mannu Bhai PW1 and Amit R. Dantani, were summoned to the NCB office Ahmedabad, where a preliminary panchnama taking their consent to participate in the proceedings was drawn. Deepak Parikh PW2, accompanied with other NCB officials and the panchas, proceeded to ST bus stand Kheda. The raiding party was divided into two groups. Upon reaching the bus stand at around 4:30 pm, they saw two persons whose description was matching with the secret information sitting near the public urinals of the bus stand. The officials observed that a bag was being held by one of the two suspects, who handed the same over to the other and proceeded towards the exit gate of the bus stand. One group of the raiding team cornered the person who was holding the bag, whereas the second group followed the other person who was seen proceeding towards the exit gate of the bus stand. The first group, after disclosing their identity to the suspect who was holding the bag, made inquiry about his identity, and he gave out his name to be Anwar Khan A1. The second suspect, however, escaped from the spot and could not be apprehended by the group of officials who went in his pursuit. Stop.